Hi there, students. In English, there are some Hindi words. One of these is pucker. Okay? This is a pucker woolen jersey. Pucker, the real thing. Okay, pucker is a Hindi word, as I said, meaning ripe, fully cooked. But very often in English, we use pucker to mean the real thing, the right article, yeah? He's a really pucker guy. He's a good guy. He's going to do everything he can to help you. He's honest. Okay? This is a pucker pair of Nike shoes. Real ones, not a copy. Okay? So pucker, the real thing, the genuine article. Yeah? So if you thought this was a pucker video, okay, a pucker video, adjective pucker, then give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.